today I am going to show you how I use the aloe vera in my hair. So as you can see guys, I have already sectioned my hair in four. So now I am going to apply the aloe vera from the root.
Benefits of using aloe vera on your natural hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play a part in healthy hair follicles. Aloe vera control greasy hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and also strips your hair of extra oil and sebum.
Now I'm going to move over to the other one and I'm going to do the same thing. You're going to apply it from the root straight to the end.
Aloe vera protects your hair from UV damage. A study found that fresh aloe vera juice offers protection from ultraviolet UV radiation that comes from the sun. The UV exposure can cause your hair to lose its shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. Aloe vera rejuvenates dry scalp and hair. Aloe vera has a high water content which makes it a great humectant for your scalp and hair. It provides essential nutrients for your hair follicles that makes your hair grow healthy and prevent your scalp and hair tissue from drying out. Aloe vera relieves dandruff and itchy scalp. Aloe vera is an effective natural hair cleanser that helps you remove dead skin cells, excessive sebum, dirt, and product built up from your scalp and hair. This helps you to fight off dandruff while keeping your scalp clean. Also, the antipyretic properties and proteolytic enzymes of aloe vera relieves you from itchy scalp conditions. Aloe vera adds soft texture by reducing frizziness. Aloe vera acts as a deep conditioning agent that often softens your dry and frizzy hair. It locks your open up your cuticles and helps in retaining natural oils in your scalp, giving your hair a soft and smooth texture. Aloe vera eliminates microbial infections. Aloe vera is known for its antifungal, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties. It promotes the health of your scalp and hair by fighting off scalp infection and dandruff. It also helps to calm itchiness and irritation in your scalp caused by infections. Aloe vera prevents hair fall by strengthening the roots of your hair. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins C, E, B12, chlorine, and folic acids. These components strengthen your weak hair follicles by providing deep nourishment. Thus, aloe vera prevents hair shedding from weaker roots and also control your hair breakage. Aloe vera stimulates healthy hair growth. Aloe vera improves the blood circulation to your hair follicles when it is applied to your scalp. Thus, it helps your follicles to receive essential vitamins, minerals, and oxygen from your blood, which contributes to healthy hair growth. Also, it is power packed with minerals such as zinc, copper, along with proteolytic enzymes. This aid in stimulating your dormant cells in your follicles and promote faster hair regrowth. Aloe vera imparts shine to your manes. Aloe vera has active amino acids which can turn your lifeless hair into shiny hair. These amino acids also help in repairing your damaged hair strands, thus promoting thicker and voluminous hair growth. Aloe vera reduces scalp inflammation. Aloe vera contains fatty acid with rich anti-inflammatory properties. This helps in soothing your scalp irritation, bruises, and redness while repairing your damaged scalp tissue. Aloe vera restores pH balance on your scalp. Aloe vera has the same range of pH levels as your scalp and hair. Thus, using aloe vera regularly can restore the pH balance of your scalp and hair, which might have been disturbed otherwise due to other factors.